the general components within the Adria Matrix 670 Plus. We have the 3 gas rings just there, and to light them just push in, twist and push the igniter. The sink and the oven and grill. Push in to the left for the oven and push in to the right for the grill. The extractor fan just sits underneath here, on and off just here, and then we have the backlight illumination just here. All of these particular lights underneath here with this surround are all just touch. Fridge freezer just here, on and off on this black button. This is an automatic fridge freezer, so as long as you have it on A for auto, it will find the best power source it can for you. So because we're currently hooked up to main supply, it's put us onto mains with a little picture of the 2-pin plug. If I now went outside and pulled the mains lead out, it would then automatically attempt to fire itself up onto gas. And as soon as we start the engine, it would then automatically go over to 12 volt maintain to keep itself cold whilst on the move. We can take it out of auto, and the way we do that is just by holding down the button just here, and it will begin to flash, and then we just use the arrows to pick. So I can manually put it onto mains, I can manually put it onto 12 volt maintain, or manually onto gas. Once you've selected, press, and it will then move across to the temperature control, and then select, and as you can see, I've now manually put it onto gas. If there's a problem with the unit in any way, it will flash at you, and it will do that if I now just put it onto 12 volt maintain for a moment. As you can now see, I've got a red flashing light just here, and it's all flashing just here because currently the engine isn't running, so we do not have 12 volt. But to be fair, automatic is the easiest function to have it on. We have the electric drop down bed just here. When dropping this, just make sure that these cushions are just laid down out of the way, and that the headrests are also down as low as they can go, and then just push, and then the bed will slowly lower itself down. Once it's at the correct height for the ladder, it will then automatically stop. The ladder just clips in where these 2 little cutout points are, and you can also clip up the cargo netting all the way around to avoid falling out. Again, 2 more touch lights just up there. We have the fuse for the bed just here. And again, once it's fully up, it will automatically turn itself back off again. TV bracket just up here. Just push the button just here and then pull towards you. You will then just need to raise this part just a little bit to then be able to get it completely out. Pull this here, which will then allow this to come down, and then you can rotate it about. Do make sure that it's all fully locked back in for travel. The dining table can be manoeuvred about by undoing just here. This then allows the table to slide backwards and forwards. It can also be raised up and down on this lever just here. And it's just a matter of pushing down on the top of it and then pulling the lever across. It can also be rotated, and we just need to put our foot on the button just here, push down, and then the table can then swivel. If you then let go, once it gets back into the correct position, it will then lock back in place. Both beds just here, and we can gain access underneath them to the storage areas. Washroom just here. So we have the shower cubicle. Do make sure that the shower screen is fully clipped back for travel. Basin and toilet. So bowl does move all about. Open to the cassette just here. Level indicator just here to let you know when the cassette needs emptying. And then close back up to the cassette again. If this has been left open and you try to remove the cassette from the outside, it will not come out. So if you feel resistance, just make sure that this has been closed. And then we have the wardrobe just here.